Alright, it's green with black stripe, light blue with a white stripe, light blue, brown with a black stripe, dark blue, gray with a yellow stripe, empty, white with a black stripe, and then blue, a light blue looking with a white stripe on this side. Now on this side it's a green, orange with a white stripe, orange, light blue or light green with a black stripe, a blue with a red stripe, a yellow with a green stripe, a white with a blue stripe, empty, gray with a red stripe, purple, and a white with a green stripe.